Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Alfreda Love, and I'm evaluating different programs that actually work with kinesthetic, tactile, and versatile learners. And I wanted to first of all introduce you to pbskids.org. pbskids.org. This is a particular program that allows students to work on social and emotional behavior. I know that many of the webcasts that have been presented focused on social and emotional behavior, and research also suggests that students learn best when they're socially and emotionally sound. And so, with this particular program, no matter how old the child is or the adult, this program is essential depending on the need of that particular child or adult. So, first of all, this is pbskids.org. And in order to sign in, first of all, there will be a sign up tab. I've already signed in, but just like any other program, you will basically click the sign up button here. All right. When you click the sign up button, you go to learn more. This particular sign up button is for individuals or parents or educators or therapists or doctors or nurses who want to receive a PBS daily. So you'll put in your email address, your first name, last name, zip code. If you want to receive these daily reminders or newsletters, go ahead and click yes. If not, please do not click yes. Go ahead and click submit. And we're going to go back out the program. All right. And then you're going to sign up or sign in. Now, when you sign in, what you're going to do is it's going to ask you to create your own personal username. For instance, my own personal username is host293. And then it's going to give you a password. The system will automatically provide you with a password. You're going to write it down or print it out and keep it for your records. So, with this particular program, the focus is emotional and social learning. It's also focused on kinesthetic, tactile, and visual learners. This program is utilized for specifically elementary students, but we also use this program for individuals and adults as well when we're working on different aspects of learning, cognition, when we're working on, you know, building up that comprehension. So, what I first want you to look at, I want you to look at the videos. Yes. See the excitement. These particular videos work on social and emotional learning. And each video has a particular theme. For instance, we're going to watch one video that shows how teamwork can make us feel happy, especially when the product is essential and needed and when the product is complete. And so, social and emotional learning for not only students but adults is essential. And so, we're going to check out this video. Okay, this first video here is basically an example of PBS Kids. Okay, it's kind of like a commercial. So we did that. All right, that's just like a commercial. And I'm going to expand my screen here. All right, one of my favorite cartoon characters is Curious George. So let's look and see what Curious George is speaking about today. You know, Curious George was always curious. He was always into something. So it's teaching about having friends and sharing knowledge. And it talks about fitting in. So it's talking about being able to help others. And once he learned it, he shared his information. Okay. So that's just one example. So these are great, entertaining videos for students, especially those auditory learners. And then the message is that when we learn a healthy way, we're able to disseminate that information to others. Okay, now let's go back. We're going to focus on. Now, this is the part where a lot of the individuals who's working on cognition and all those kinesthetic and auditory elements love this particular section, games. And so games work on kinesthetics. The game works on following directions, also being able to utilize the keyboard. And so it works on being very productive as well as being able to multitask. So let's go to Amazon Adventure. All right. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to just press play. And so this looks like we're in a wooded area here. And so the students are able to kinesthetically see this particular area. Let's see if I can follow directions. Here we go. That's what I'm doing now. Whoa, it's a tree. Now I'm waiting on the directions. Going back, pressing the arrow key. I want to jump. So I had to push the up button. I want to jump again. I want to jump again. Oh, I missed it. So I'm going to have to come over a little bit. And I have to use my arrows. I'm trying to make it to a goal. So I'm going to have to get a little closer. Watch. So it's kind of like mathematical too, because in this, see there? So you have to jump up. You have to be able to use those kinesthetic. And what this game did not tell you is that you have to use the control button to jump up. Okay. And so you have to do a little problem solving. All right. All right. So it's basically following directions and it's using clues and being able to figure out and problem solve how to get to your area. So this is a great game on problem solving and it works on relaxation as well as being able to follow directions. Many times, if a student or adult has trouble following directions, these are great games to facilitate that. So I just wanted to introduce you to this website. I want you to play around with it. Of course, we have an area for parents. If you open up this area, these are parenting resources. You can visit the shop, but this particular app and this particular program is free to the parents. And students typically enjoy this particular PBS. Okay. And so I wanted to just introduce you to this particular site. And I hope you enjoy. I will be bringing more sites. And if you want to start playing, you can go ahead and start playing here. These are all of the games. And so just have fun with this site. And once again, as I said before, although this particular site appears to be elementary, it's actually utilized for kids and adults. We're working on kinesthetics, listening, speaking, articulation. And so just enjoy the site. And thank you so much for listening. Bye bye.